Dr. Bob here to talk to you a moment about genetic testing. When I sent my genetic sample to geneME, I first asked the same question you should. Why would I trust the team of scientists at geneME with my DNA? It's the most important question you can ask and one that geneME takes incredibly seriously. So first of all, the laboratory that conducts the genetic assessments for geneME is accredited by CAP. That's the College of American Pathologists, and certified by the CLIA, a regulatory branch of the federal government. These are the highest possible testing standards that regulate laboratories around the world. In fact, the CEO of GeneLink, the company responsible for your assessment, spent years running one of the largest medical testing companies in America and has a spotless record to prove it. Second, we don't test for any genetic defects which could jeopardize your job or your insurance. In fact, geneME doesn't even have protocols in place that would allow them to test for any of these defects, even if it wanted to. 3, your specimen is destroyed after 60 days. Now, why 60 days? In case you had any questions or wanted us to rerun the test, we'd have that sample. 4th, the entire time your sample is in the laboratory, it's identified only by a random barcode, not your name. No one could identify the sample even if they tried, and only the results of the key genes in your assessment are transferred securely back to geneME to be matched with your identity and printed and mailed to you. Your cheek swab is handled with the greatest care by highly qualified scientists and technicians. No one else is allowed to touch your specimen. 5, geneME follows federal HIPAA laws closely so that there are no changes taken in the reporting of your test results. Only you can authorize the release of the results to a third party not governed by HIPAA. So yes, you can be 100% confident using geneME. I've taken the test myself and have carefully followed the entire process. We have a film that shows this process from start to finish. It's well worth watching to reassure yourself that this testing is safe and completely confidential, as guaranteed by our compliance with strict federal law.